OMG. Hello, you guys. Welcome back to Credit Cupids. It has been a very, very, very long time. I know, please forgive me. I got ghosts. There's been a lot of things happening from planning my wedding to my mom, who's like, well, my grandmother, who's like a mom to me, passing away. It's been a lot. And YouTube was not a high priority for me, especially with all the other things I had going on and the other career that I have as well. YouTube was a hobby, but I missed you guys. And I know that there are many of you guys who still, want some tips and tricks and stuff to make sure that you're getting your credit up to where you want it to be. So I'm happy to be back and I will try to continue to do more videos. Certain things have settled down a little bit more. So I feel like I will be able to bring out, more videos than than before, which was none. So I'm excited just to be here with you. So I finally bit the bullet and got the American Express Platinum New Design card. So I wasn't really interested in receiving the new design card. I actually think that the regular silver metal card looks very classy. So I didn't really want any quote unquote graffiti all over my card. But when I got something in the mail letting me know that I could just get it and it not be a replacement, I could just get it to have it, but still use my regular card. I went ahead and got the card because I do feel like it's cool to have, some colors. That just won't be the card that I pull out. I just like the look and the clean look of the regular platinum card. But anyway, before I decided to go ahead and do that, I had been looking up to see how it looks in person. And I wasn't able to find any YouTubes at that point of people showing how the designs look in person. There could be some now, but back then I didn't see any. So, what I want to do is show you the design that I chose, as well as how it looks in person very quickly. I also later on want to do another video just about what you need to do to get the most out of your American Express Platinum card because, as you know, the annual fee has increased. Okay, so here is the design I chose. It's the Platinum by Kehinde Wiley. I hope I'm not pronouncing their names wrong, but Kehinde Wiley, which is really cool for them for sure. I mean, it is really cute. It's really cute. I can't lie. Maybe I'd use the card like during the summertime. Maybe if I have on like a flowery dress, that could be cute. If you have this card, even if you don't have this card, will you be getting the regular classic platinum card? Or are you going to get a little design on your card to kind of, add a little flavor to it? Let me know down below what you think looks the best. I'm very, very interested in hearing that. But there also is the Delta Reserve Sky Miles card that could be a battle for you depending on what you need. So I also want to do a video on, the Amex Platinum card versus the Delta Reserve card. So I can maybe help you make that decision on which one you want, or you may want both. I personally have both, and I'll talk to you in that video about whether I feel like it's worth it or not. And of course, the main point of the channel is to make sure that your credit stays and gets to where it needs to be so you can enjoy the benefit of these cards. So there will be videos on that again as well. American Express right now has a super, super awesome referral offer. For anyone who clicks my link down below, you'll earn 100,000 membership rewards after you've spent 6,000 in the first 6 months, which is as long as you spend $1,000 a month on this card, you will get $1,000 back. Now, how I have used my membership rewards have been on flights. I have gotten free flights. I have gotten free hotels, especially in Vegas. It's like a perfect place to use your points. Also, Delta is 1 to 1. So you can transfer your 100,000 points to Delta, and in Delta, with Delta, it will be 100,000 points. Either way, I am going to leave the link below. I know a lot of times people see the 60,000 membership points, people see 75,000 membership points. There's not a lot of times where people get a chance to get offered 100,000 points. I didn't have this offer available to my friends until now either, because before it was like 75,000 points. So as soon as I saw this 100,000, I sent all of my friends who I knew were interested in the American Express Platinum card, like, this is it. This is what you've been waiting for. So, yes, please feel free to follow the referral link down below. And again, let me know what you think of these new jazzy design cards. Thank you so much for listening. I miss you guys and I can't wait to talk more. Bye bye.